Hello, guys. Welcome. Today we will see some news about the NHR regime. We don't talk about the Impatrate regime, but feel free to ask your questions. Please remind that we will be together, not forever, just 15 minutes today. I started a little bit earlier, but I remind you, we will do the live every Wednesday, 5 p.m. European time. Every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Yeah, today I started a little bit earlier, so let's wait a couple of minutes, and I will try already to answer your questions. By the way, I will start in a minute talking about the NHR regime, maybe, and then at the end I will reply the questions. Feel free to put your your questions in the comment section, and I will try to reply in 5-10 minutes. I just wanted to share with you this news because you may already have seen the live that Andrea did last Wednesday regarding the Impatrate regime, the news that unfortunately they are reducing the benefit from you know you until now you had a 90% or 70% deduction, so you will pay the taxes. You would have paid taxes only on the 10 on 30 or 30%. Now if those news will be confirmed, you will have to have your taxable basis reduced only at 50%, so the half. What we will see today is another important thing because and I already see questions in the comment here. I don't know who is the guy that you mentioned, but the Impatrate regime is a regime that require for you to be fiscal resident in Italy. Fiscal residents you should know, so that's why maybe you didn't understand the law, meaning that you live in Italy at least 183 days. So the NHR is different because now I already talked about the NHR regime. So actually we had really I am happy because we had a lot of news last week. I also did a video about the end of the NHR regime. I talk about basically that also the NHR regime is stopping, unfortunately. What is happening in Europe? What is happening? Okay, maybe they saw that with those regimes. In Italy, I don't understand why the government did this cut, because it was the only good thing that the politician. I mean, a good thing would have been to continue this tax regime only also for the Italian economy, for the people who wants to move back to Italy. But today let's talk about the NHR regime. Maybe next week we'll see something new about the Impatrate regime. So, by the way, what happened is that the NHR you can still apply now, even if in 2024 it will be closed. I have a partner let's say a working partner in Portugal. She's a lawyer. Of course, she knows more than me because she lives in Lisbon. Of course, maybe even I know a lot about taxes. I am one of the, I would say, the top international tax consultant in Europe, but she knows Portugal better than me. She's a lawyer, so she knows the law very good. So, and we were talking last day, we had a quick call, and she told me, for European citizen, it's still possible to apply for the NHR. I knew that, but I wanted to make it sure with her. You need just to consider to secure a rental agreement as soon as possible. and coming to Portugal, she told to me, I'm just rephrasing, and coming to Portugal to apply for a residence certificate as EU citizen. For the non-EU citizen, if the rules do not change, which we think they will, protecting people with pending visa application, we believe it will be very difficult. So, if you are a European, you want to move to Portugal, please do it as soon as possible. Now, not doing as soon as possible, find a lawyer that can help you. Of course, we can support you for the fiscal part, for the fiscal compliance, and especially for the tax calculation and tax strategy, and of course simulation, because you need to know. Maybe you read some article, but you still don't know all the rules. You still don't know all the points that may impact your life. So that is why you still can do it. I'm not talking about the NHR regime, because if you are already subscribed to our channel, thank you for supporting us. But because also we talk about the Portuguese regime, we did a video. Andrea did a video. You can find it. The title is Portugal Income Tax Rate for Foreigners Tax Guide. So this is because also we visited Portugal last year. Actually, it was the end of the year, and we didn't visit Portugal just to have a holiday, but also because we wanted to talk with this lawyer to get more info. So you can see those NHR regime. You can apply and up to the 31 of December. Now it might seem, and that's why I just don't want to continue other 5 minutes. If you want to move to Portugal, the most important thing is to consider how to treat your incomes from abroad Portugal, because you should pay attention on your situation, your particular case. Just to do an example, imagine that you're from Spain, or you are from France or Germany. Why I say Germany? Because we supported a lot of people especially from Germany, no? So you're from Germany, okay? You saw that you cannot use the Impatrate regime anymore, or that this is not very convenient for you. Considering that, if we consider that the law just changed in Italy, what you can do now, and what you need to pay attention. So we had a call with a guy. He wants to move to Portugal, and of course NHR. And I wanted to share with you this point that we discussed, because the guy was very smart. He said to me, he asked, so the NHR is a good way, a good system. I would say only if I'm earning more than 150,000 euro. Why? Because imagine that you're earning 80,000 euro gross, which is a good salary. No, actually, we don't call it salary. Revenues. You invoice 80,000 euro. Okay, it's a good salary, no? But here we need to do a step back. If you are between 50 and 80,000 euro, you work freelance, you live a good life. You travel, you are young, you live with your girlfriend, with your girlfriends, or with your boyfriend, or boyfriends, hey, you can use the forfait regime in Italy. In Italy, you can live wherever you want. Okay. Now the thing is, what happens if you then want to move? If you earn more than 85,000, that's an important thing. So that's why now, if your business is growing, which I have also an online business. I hope that your business will grow, but I invite you to consider Portugal. To consider Portugal as soon as possible. So this is the thing that I wanted to share today. You can type a comment in the description. We will try to reply, and we will invite you to contact us via email, info@esentaxa.com, if you want to have more information before moving to Portugal. We can support you, we can explain, and we can check if you are eligible or not, and we can give you the contact of our partner in Portugal for you to speed up the process before that it will end. In January, it will be too late. So in January, we will see other regimes. But remember that time is running out. So act fast as soon as possible, and don't forget to contact us if you need assistance. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your stay in Portugal.